Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm from Radiant Secondary School. Hope all of you will be fine. As we have started the chapter number 5 of class 7th, that is about water. This is the video lecture number 4 in which we learn different uses of water in our life. As we know that water is very important in our life and we can use water in different fields of life in different ways. Like water can be used in our homes, in agriculture, as a source of energy, means to produce hydroelectricity, and in industries. These are the major areas in which we can use a large quantity of water. Now one by one we will discuss that how water can be used in these fields of life. In homes, we can use a large quantity of water for different purposes like washing, cleaning, brushing the teeth, flushing the toilet, and for drinking and cooking. As we know that people use excess amount of water in their kitchens and bathrooms. So these are the major areas, or we can say that these are the major ways in which we use a large quantity of water in our homes. In agriculture, we know that the plants need water to grow. We also know that there is only a limited amount of fresh water on the earth that we can use. From that limited amount of fresh water, 88% of fresh water is used for agriculture by the farmers to grow the crops and vegetables. It means from the total amount of fresh water, a large quantity of that is used in agriculture only. Now, how we can use water as a source of energy? We know that water can be used to produce electricity, that is known as hydroelectricity. The process for the production of hydroelectricity is that if we are observing a power station, then we come to know that the potential energy of water is used to move the propellers of a turbine. When these propellers move, they in turn run the generator that produce electricity, which is known as hydroelectricity, and it is transferred to the areas where it is needed. There are 5 major and several small hydroelectric power stations in our Pakistan. So we can say that in these power stations, a large quantity of water is used to produce electricity. Now we will learn that how water is used in our industries. Industries use a large quantity of water in number of ways, like beverage and food industries use water as a raw material. Along with that, factories use water to clean and wash the metal surfaces. Heavy mechanical complexes, oil refineries, and nuclear reactors use water for cooling purposes. As we know that in these heavy mechanical complexes, oil refineries, and nuclear reactors, a large quantity of energy is produced, which also generate heat. So To reduce the effect of that heat, we use water for cooling purposes. These are the basic uses of water in the following field of life. Along with that, water is also used for recreational purposes, like in water sports. Water is used for swimming, for sailing, for fishing, and for water skiing. These are the different water sports which can be enjoyed by the people. They also enjoy these water sports in different water parks. So these are the uses of water. Thank you.
We use water for various different purposes. On an average, a human being consumes about 60,000 to 80,000 liters of water in his lifetime. Water is used in households for drinking, cooking, bathing, gardening, washing and cleaning purposes. Irrigation facilities improve agricultural output and help meet the growing demand for food from a growing world population. Irrigation acts as an insurance against the vagaries of nature. Water is also used in industries for cooling purposes. It is used in many industries as a solvent. It is also used to generate electricity. Besides, recreational activities such as swimming, fishing, sailing and other water sports require water.